video is sponsored by Sierra Treasure. Sierra Treasure is where I get my knob pine cones from, and let me tell you, this is by far the best quality knob pine cones I have ever received. Every single pendant turns out to be spectacular because of these cones. When you slice it open, you ain't gonna find no holes, no molds, no rot. Perfect quality pendants, ready to be made and ready to be sold or wear. The best part is that you have so many options to choose from. You can either go with big or small, yellow or gray, tall or skinny, you name it, they got it. Be sure to go check out Sierra Treasure. The link will be in the description. Gotta hide all the mess. Just making it seem like I got everything together. Oh wait, where were we? Hey, what's up guys? Alright, just kidding. In all seriousness though, hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Ben. If you've been watching my other videos, I know I look a little different. How different? Well, you be the judge. Anyways, in this video, we're going to be making a UV resin curing box that you can make for under $20. This curing box is specifically for curing pine cone pendants. Keep that in mind. Other than that, this is very simple, very easy, and very cheap to make. That's where those items are, at the Home Depot. But if you're trying to save some money, do you want to know a little secret? At a lot of Home Depots, there's a small section that you can like hand cut pieces of wood, right? Chances are you're going to find a lot of scrapped up small pieces of wood that no one is going to want to use or no one's going to want to buy. So you know what that means, right? It's now considered trash. All you have to do now is ask an employee if you can have it. Chances are they'll say yes because one, that's less work for them, and two, no one's gonna wanna buy it. It's now considered trash. At the end of the day, they're gonna throw it away. So why not give it to someone who's actually gonna want it and use it and need it, you know? You might be wondering, how can I be so sure about this? Well, for starters, I do this all the time. In fact, I do this every single time I go to Home Depot, and you don't hear me talking about how I got caught stealing at the Home Depot or I got arrested for falsely accused of so-and-so. You know, sitting right here making videos, right? Relax guys, it's not stealing. Just ask someone. Don't worry, you don't have to worry about your prison wallet being stretched anytime soon. So when it comes to making this box, I'm going to make mine really small. Like, here's a thick pine cone pendant. This is how much space it's gonna have. Literally like this much space. Why? Because I want my shit to dry up faster, not slower. So your light probably is different. I'll put the link in the description of this same exact one. I'm not sure if it's still available on Amazon. If it is, cool, just follow along. If not, do your own measurements. You can also use wood glue if you would like, but I personally don't feel like waiting for the glue to dry up, so that's why I'm using tools. If you don't have access to it, don't worry, you can still do this with simple wood glue. Right here is a mirror for arts and craft. I'll put the link in the description. I got this from Amazon. It's very flexible. It's used for arts and craft. You can use this in the shower if you want. You can see a reflection, you know? This is what it looks like without the screen protector thing, whatever you want to call it. And it has a sticky side. Once you put it down, it's not going anywhere. unless you get your fingernail in. And yeah, it's pretty cool if you ask me. It's pretty self-explanatory for the measurements. I know this curing box is very small, but this is how you can make it for under $20. If you have a different use, like to grow your own marijuana, YouTube, you did not hear that. Unfortunately, this will not work. Again, this is for pendants only. Alright, it's now time to put this to the test. Got some UV resin. This is what I use. Make sure each and every single spot is evenly balanced, I guess I can say. This is light up. You can have it close, but why do that when you already made your pendant box? Place it right here. Look how cool that shit looks under UV light. Alright, now I gotta let it cure. Oh yeah, there we go. Look how amazing this shit is. Dude, just imagine how this will look in person. Amazing. Anyways, this is hard as a rock, just like how I like my men, rough and hard. If there's ever a time where you're busy with your pine cone pendant business or whatever it is, you can cure 6 pine cone pendants all at once with this small and yet simple box. Those mirrors right there, all these blocks, I just cut one piece so far. I'm gonna put each mirror on every single side and all those blocks with all those mirrors, and I'm just like, you know what? Nope, not happening. I am not taking the time to cut all these small little mirrors into smaller pieces just to put them on each and every single side on all of these blocks. No, that's not happening. If you insist on making this UV light box for marijuana uses, you can always stack this up. One big mirror piece on the side by side, that'll be a lot easier. Do it how you want, but this is how it would look when it's 3 blocks high, 2 blocks high, and just the pendant size block. That's how you make a cool, simple, curing pine cone pendant box. God, that was a mouthful. For under $20. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think. Also, if you guys have any questions at all, big or small, if you want me to help you out one by one, please feel free to reach out to my Instagram at bmachado13 or my Pinecone account at +13pinecones. I'll be more than happy to follow you on my Pinecone account. I do not follow people back on my personal account. It's nothing personal. I only follow back people that I know. Alright guys, that's it. I'll see you guys in my next Pinecone video.